In this video, I will guide you exactly how to add ManyChat to your website. So let's just begin. First of all, what you need to do is head over to your settings option, and from here choose a channel on which you want to add your ManyChat. Like for example, if you are willing to do it on your Instagram, TikTok, it is going to be straight away. Or if you cannot find the option of your website in here, what you need to do is simply head over to your integrations, and you can see we have some more options in here. So we can use these to add our ManyChat to these certain sites. And yeah, so what I suggest is head over to the App Store and search for your custom site option. You can see we have multiple different options, and we can use these to incorporate our ManyChat to our website. So let's say it is a WooCommerce site. You can install this particular WooCommerce application. So yeah, you can also you are all only able to add ManyChat if the certain site is available in here. And let's just actually now go back, and I'm going to be showing you how it works. So if you head over to automations, you can create different kind of automations in here. Like for example, if someone DMs you, you can add a new trigger. You can connect the channel, and on Instagram or your site, it is going to be replying back to them as a chatbot and helping you in assisting the client or potential visitor. So basically this is how you incorporate it, or you can also use the API to integrate it onto your site as well. You can see we have generate an API, so you can enter in here your API key. You can generate your own API key as well, and this is also going to be helping you to integrate it to your site. So yeah, I hope this helps, and if it does, you can consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to head over to the link in the description below to get 1 month on ManyChat Pro plan completely for free.